Hi, today I will show you how correctly extract, convert, and auto texture preview for Resident Evil Remake 2. Follow me, and if you have any question, please PM me. Let's start. First of all, you have to copy this to script, Python script, in your Noesis Python folder. So, open path, plugin, Python, and copy these two files here inside here. You see, I already have, so I close. Now you can open Noesis. If you have already opened Noesis, you have to close and reopen again to save change. So open up Noesis. Here I have all Resident Evil 2 Remake unpacked. To unpack the file, you have to use a quick VM script. I will link in the description. And once you have unpacked all, you will have this native folder created. So we can open, for example, I don't know, try with character, player, player, this one. Okay. Here you can select Resident Evil 2 Remake PC. This is the mesh. And Resident Evil 2 Remake texture. This is the format of the texture. All you can click here on all new format, and you have all the supported format. For example, this is the texture in text 10 extension. If you click, you have the texture. Here there is the alpha. To preview correctly, you have to click on here, and you have the texture. When you convert this texture, you have to edit it and remove the alpha. Or in XPS Material Editor, you have to disable alpha in the material properties. But this is the point. This is the mesh. You see, mesh. If I double click, oh fuck, there are not the texture. But I want to see the texture on this model. How can I do? Is really easy. Click here and open in Explorer. These are the texture I showed you before. This is a sort of MTL library, like OBJ. You know, with OBJ comes the MTL file where are stored all the texture of the model, right? So if you double click here, you will see here there are all the texture used for this model. But how you can say to the mesh, hey, you have to read this? Because if you don't read, I have the white model. So it's simple. You see, you have here point mesh. Okay? Simply rename and copy this, copy here, rename, and paste this. Add a point here. Now, basically, the mesh has to be the same name as the material. I don't know if I can explain well. This is the extension. We don't care about the extension. We care about the name of the mesh. Okay? So, the body, the other body, is called mesh. The material has to be named like the model, so mesh. And you have to keep MDF2 also, because it's the library. 10 is the extension, like MTL, like OBJ, like PNG, and so on. So, when you did this, you open the mesh again. Don't worry, you don't have to refresh. When you click here, it take long because yeah, okay. This is what you have to do with all Resident Evil models. If you want to convert, you see have the skeleton, and here there are the LOD. LOD, this is the big one. This is the low the low quality, and so on. If you don't want to have all the lots, you have to click on here and export from preview. So will be only exported the high quality model and not all this shit. Okay? When you export, you can create a new folder on your desktop, a new folder, and RA2 RAM ADA body, and call body. Click on save. Here you can choose the format you want. Additional texture output default. So the noises, thanks to the plugin, will convert all this texture in DDS format, or you can choose the format you want. Okay? If you, for example, in FBX and export, you see, let's wait, it will finish. As you can see, there are 232 texture. I don't know why so many. Okay. If you open the folder, you have all the texture. Wet mask is, as you can see, you have the texture with alpha channel like I show you in the preview. So simply imagine remove alpha channel and you can save it in the format you want. I don't know, for example, ping, and save. And now you have the texture correct. Okay, I will show you with OBJ as well. You can go in section root. Okay, in OBJ root, set model. Use this one, and for example, Leon desk. Okay, Leon desk. If I open the Leon desk, I have the Leon desk but without texture. So like before, open in Explorer. MD matte is not correct because the name is MD mesh. So simply, and there is MD point mesh. Here is MD underscore matte. So you have to name exactly like this one, MD point mesh, and is okay. Now open again the mesh, and here you go. I repeat, you can do this with all what you want. So again, this one is the locker where the zombie is inside, you know, and this one, oh fuck, this one, open in Explorer, rename, the name is point mesh, so again, point mesh, and here. Now you open, and you have your model texture. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment below and give me a like if you like this tutorial. Thank you so much, and happy Sunday. Bye bye.